Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik, the Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Market Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Morning to you, Eddie.
Good morning.
Right, so we've got three charts to go through in this segment.
Yep.
Let's kick off with the yen, yen versus the dollar. What are your thoughts?
Well, what's interesting there is we're seeing actually the downtrend, which is stretching back from about, I'd say sort of January area, that's keeping atop of the market. If you look, that's giving a good angle of attack. That's keeping a pressure on the market, and I think you're going to see further movement down. We've got some support around the 108.60 area, but basically the resistance is around the 107.60, which is where the downtrend is. That's going to be key to keeping this market. The only option that it's got for the upside is if we form maybe a double bottom on this, but at the moment, the downtrend is the key. The head and shoulders, that's played through, that's run through already, but it's a very bearish pattern nevertheless. It's heading south, I think, at the moment.
Understood. Okay, let's move on to the Aussie dollar.
We had a good breakdown, and what's really, really interesting about it is we've broken through and we are now below significant areas of support. We're below the 78 even area. It's the 50% fib there, that's 78.16. That's really pushing us down even further. We're getting more closes below the medium moving average, below that pitch fork time, the shift pitch fork time we've got there, and we're seeing movement further down, and it's continuing at the moment. I think you'll see further movement down.
Okay, so clearly things going on there. Let's wrap up with the South African rand.
We broke through the downtrend, which has been running this whole market from November. We're now formed a more shallower downtrend. That's going through just a sub 12 area. But it's an interesting pattern whether we actually get to that one and come back off. We should, because it's a three-pointer. We've got 3 points of contact with that shallower downtrend that you can see there. It should come off on that news, but it'd be interesting. I think it may be now starting to form the beginnings of a rounded pattern that we're seeing on there.
Understood. Eddie, thank you very much.
Thank you.